What if I told you that becoming truly wealthy isn't about making massive, overnight leaps, but about tiny, almost invisible changes you make every single day? The secret lies in the powerful 1% rule of getting rich. Want to uncover how these small daily habits compound into massive wealth and how engaging with our channel can unlock amazing future cash giveaways? Stick around. This video is your blueprint for consistent, unstoppable financial growth. I'll also share how you can be ready for our upcoming prizes. Watch till the end for massive win. Let's start by understanding the profound, often underestimated power of the 1% rule. Why tiny, almost imperceptible daily changes are the real secret to massive wealth. In a world obsessed with quick fixes and overnight success, we often overlook the quiet, consistent magic of marginal gains. Imagine you improve by just 1% every single day. That doesn't sound like much, right? But over a year, that 1% improvement compounds dramatically. Mathematically, 1.01 to the power of 365, meaning 1% better, every day for a year, equals nearly 37.78. This means you end up 37 times better than when you started. Conversely, if you get 1% worse every day, you decay to almost nothing. 0.99 to the power of 365 equals about 0.03. This simple math reveals a profound truth. Success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. For money, it means consistently saving just a little bit more, avoiding just one small unnecessary expense, or learning just one new financial concept each day. These tiny, manageable actions, when consistently applied, create an unstoppable momentum that builds genuine wealth over time, overcoming even insidious traps like lifestyle creep. Now that we grasp the power of 1%, how do you identify and implement these tiny, impactful financial habits in your own life? It's about finding those small levers that, when pulled consistently, yield big results. Don't try to overhaul your entire financial life overnight. That leads to burnout. Instead, pinpoint manageable 1% improvements. Number 1. The pre-spend saving. When you get paid, before any other bills, automatically transfer just 1%, or 2%, or 5%, more than your usual savings amount to a dedicated account. You likely won't even notice this small increase. Number 2. The one less rule. Each week, identify just one small, non-essential expense you can reduce or eliminate. Maybe one less takeaway coffee, one less impulse purchase online, or one less paid app. Number 3. The 5-minute financial check-in. Dedicate just 5 minutes each day or a few times a week to look at your budget, track a few expenses, or review a financial statement. This consistent awareness prevents large problems. Number 4. The knowledge nudge. Spend just 15 to 30 minutes each week watching a financial education video, like ours, reading an article, or listening to a podcast. This compounds your financial wisdom. Number 5. The small debt paydown. If you have debt, add just 1 to 5 units of currency extra to a debt payment this week. It kickstarts momentum. These aren't glamorous changes, but they are incredibly powerful because they are sustainable and easy to start right now regardless of your current financial situation. This leads us to the critical concept of compounding, not just in investments, but in habits. Understanding how tiny, consistent efforts explode into massive wealth is the core of the 1% rule. Imagine a single drop of water, insignificant on its own, but a consistent drip over centuries can carve out a canyon. Financial habits work similarly. Each tiny positive action, that extra 1% saved, that 1% less spent, that new financial insight learned, doesn't just add up, it multiplies. It creates a positive feedback loop. Increased savings. More savings means more money available for investment. Earlier investment. Investing even small amounts consistently and earlier means more time for compound interest to work its magic. Better decisions. More financial knowledge from consistent learning leads to smarter spending and investing decisions. Reduced stress. Financial control leads to less stress, freeing up mental energy for wealth creation. This compounding effect isn't linear, it's exponential. The early stages may feel slow, but as you consistently apply the 1% rule, the results become dramatically noticeable. This is why financial experts constantly emphasize starting small and staying consistent over trying for radical, unsustainable changes. So, how do we practically implement the 1% rule to make these tiny, powerful habits stick and truly lead to massive wealth? It's about clever design and avoiding common pitfalls. Number 1. Make it obvious easy. Don't rely on willpower. Set up automatic transfers for savings, as we discussed in Automate and Pay Yourself First. Place a savings jar where you see it daily. Keep your budgeting app easily accessible on your phone's home screen. Number 2. Make it attractive. Frame your financial habits positively. Instead of "I can't spend this," say "I'm choosing financial freedom." Find joy in tracking your progress and seeing your numbers grow. Number 3. Make it satisfying. Give yourself small, non-financial rewards for sticking to your 1% habits. Celebrate completing a week of consistent tracking. See the growth in your accounts as instant gratification. Number 4. Track your progress visibly. Use a spreadsheet, an app, or even a simple habit tracker. Seeing your tiny, consistent wins accumulate is incredibly motivating and helps maintain momentum. Number 5. Beware of the one-off mindset. Don't dismiss small failures. A single skip day or one impulse buy won't derail you, but letting it become a pattern will. Get back on track immediately. The 1% rule is about consistency, not perfection. By focusing on these small, sustainable improvements, you're not just hoping for wealth. You're actively building it, one powerful 1% step at a time. This is your personal blueprint for consistent financial victory. Alright, amazing audience, let's talk giveaways and growth. To participate and be a top contender, comment on this video right now. Share the precise learning you genuinely gain from our video. Prove you were here, that you absorbed it. We verify winners' comments for genuine insight. If yours is illusory or unreal, you may lose the reward. For full giveaway details, eligibility, winner selection, check the dedicated video link in the description. Our mission is to arm you with unmatched finance knowledge, unwavering support, and verified chances to transform your wealth. Get smart, dive deep, and join us. Like, subscribe, and let's conquer your financial future in the next video.